Hello guys, today I will introduce Pilot's PV storage charging station, and we will explore its potential in shaping of the future of green transportation. The station's core advantage lies in its self-sufficiency in green energy. Solar panels on top convert sunlight into electrical energy, which is directly used for EV charging and stored for later use, significantly reduce dependence on traditional power grid. Economically, the stations provide huge cost savings with long-term optimized utilization of energy storage and solar power. Operators benefit from higher return on investments, while users enjoy cheaper charging prices. The station incorporates AI management technology, ensuring efficient operation through remote monitoring and data analysis. Users can enjoy convenient service with a real-time update and control through a mobile app. Pilot's integrated PV storage charging station leads the way in green transportation and supporting a greener and better future for all. Join us in the journey of the sustainability.